Hey guys, hey everyone. कैसे हो आप लोग? We are meeting after a very long time, I guess, after 2 or 3 days. Okay. So I hope everyone is staying safe at home among this coronavirus lockdown. Okay. On popular demand, today we are going to discuss do or die topics for chemistry. Okay, it's very important for those who have entered just now class 11 or class 12. Okay, because not so much difference is there because the concepts remain same. And these type of videos will only get on Let's Crack Chemistry. I tell in my every video, if you want to score 98 plus, you need to subscribe to this channel and stay tuned for more such amazing content. Okay, and I don't think anyone might have discussed in detail like this. As today we are going to see do or die topics for class 12 chemistry. Okay, 24 JEE, जो भी हो यार. Okay, these are super duper important topics. If you do, okay, 80% of the marks you can easily score. Okay, let's proceed further. First one is inorganic chemistry. Okay, first of all, before going to this, okay, you have two textbooks in class 12 chemistry. Part 1, part 2. Part 1 में तुम्हारा आएगा inorganic and physical. Part 2 में तुम्हारा आता है organic. So coming to inorganic, okay, inorganic syllabus is less in class 12. There is coordination compounds, D and F block elements and P block elements. Okay, this is one of the most important and highly weighted chapter. Coordination compounds is very important if you're studying for CBSE boards, JEE, NEET, physically prepare कर रहे हो. Okay, coordination compounds chapter is super duper important. Okay, so coordination compounds chapter is a must do chapter and it is not so easy. Okay, there's nothing in this chapter basically. You only have nomenclature, you have some basic anion, what is ligands, what is this, what is that, and CFT and VBT, crystal field theory and valence bond theory. So if you are sorted. Okay, and next must do chapter from inorganic is D and F block elements. This is D block and then F block. Okay, डी ब्लॉक in any exam, boards हो गया, JEE हो गया, NEET हो गया, D block they are most amount of questions, and F block. This chapter comes for 5 marks in board exam. You can say 3 to 4 marks goes for D block and 1 to 2 marks goes for F block. Okay, very small chapter, not so big chapter also compared to coordination. D and F block chapter is pretty small. Next coming to P block chapter. P block is one of the most fast group. In class 11 हम लोग पढ़ते हैं 13th and 14th the boron family and carbon family. In class 12 we study nitrogen family group 15, oxygen family group 16, halogen family group 17 and noble gas family group 18. Okay, many people take these chapters. Okay, school में भी ये 3 chapter at the very fag end moment पर पढ़ाते हैं. Okay, suppose a board exam is in March, they will complete this chapter by Jan or December. Okay, so when these chapter require most of amount of time because इसमें कुछ दिमाग लगाने का चीज नहीं, it's only mugging up. Okay, हाँ थोड़ा दिमाग you need to use in coordination compound in CFT and VBT, but in D and F and P block this is a purely mugging up chapter. Okay, so if you don't want to study P block for boards, it's okay, you can skip it, but make sure you go through the important reactions, important structures, okay, and those all. Okay, group 15 हमारे में इसमें तो नहीं था. I don't know as per the new syllabus. I don't think it's there because as far as I know, group 15 and solicited has been eliminated out of the syllabus. Okay, to leaving group 15, 16, 17, 18, we need to prepare thoroughly. Okay, so these are the must-do chapters from inorganic. Basically, there is one more also, which is metallurgy, general principles and processes of isolation of elements. That is not so important. Hardly 1 or 2 questions come. So if you refer past your papers, you can do it. I didn't prepare that chapter for my board exam, and no question came also in my board exam from that chapter except one MCQ. I remember. Okay, these three, okay, 3 marks, 2 mark question coordination. So to आता है ये question, 1 3 marks या 2 2 marks या 1 2 mark and 1 5 mark. Coordination is a highly weighted chapter. Then D and F block and then P block. Okay, so if you're going for inorganic, you make sure revising these 3 chapters. Okay, thoroughly. Next, coming to physical chemistry. Physical chemistry, there is surface chemistry. Surface chemistry is one such chapter which is very big, which is very boring. If you ask me personally, one of the most boring chapter is surface chemistry. But yes, you need to study it because it's one of the most interesting and scoring chapters also. There is nothing, the only problem with surface chemistry is there are no numerical story. It's only mucking up. Okay, what is colloids? Ninth में पढ़ते हो, what is colloids, suspensions, true solutions, Okay, then you have some new techniques they bring in about the zeolite adsorption. Okay, then the fume glitch isotherm and all you need to study, but not so difficult chapter. For this surface chemistry, you have to just read the chapter 2 or 3 times and make short notes. You are sorted. So surface chemistry is a bit lengthy, a bit boring, but one of the most easiest to score. Next is solutions. Solutions is one of the it's the second chapter in your first textbook. Okay, after solid state, as I told you before, solid state is not there in the syllabus. Solutions mean there are questions you need to be thorough with the formulas, elevation in boiling point, freezing point, and all qualitative properties, want of factor, and repeated questions come. Henry's law, application of Henry's law. So you need to refer past year question papers. I've made a detailed video on best books for JEE Mains and CBSE. If you have missed it, go to my channel. In the playlist, there will be one video, best books for JEE Mains 2021 and 2022, including for advanced. Also, there's one more video which I have shown for strategy for class 11th and 12th chemistry for those students who jump from class 10 to 11 and those who come in from 11 to 12th. Next is electrochemistry is again one of the most important and easy chapter to do. Okay, half of the electrochemistry concepts तुम already पढ़ चुके हो अपने redox reactions के chapter में in class 11. Okay, so that's we're just applying here. Repeated question who boards me if you talk about they ask from Nernst equation. Okay, they ask from batteries. Okay, like storage battery, like Lanchi cell is there, तुम्हारा mercury cell हो गया, nickel cadmium cell, hydrogen oxygen fuel cell and corrosion. Okay, so electrochemistry is again a big chapter, but concepts are limited. Not so many concepts are there. Okay, chemical kinetics. Chemical kinetics is completely a new chapter for students who come in class 11 because they deal with new formulas, new graphs. Graphs. Chemical kinetics is one such chapter which I find is very easy. Out of all these, okay, surface chemistry, solutions, electrochemistry, and chemical kinetics. Okay, chemical kinetics is one of the super easy chapter. You have to just remember the formulas, derivation. Through derivation, if you get stuck in integration, it may be a bit difficult, but derivations don't come. School में बोलते हैं कि derivation को रट लो. Hardly once in 5 years they ask. Okay, but formulas of first order, graphs of first order, zero order, second order is important. Okay, along with collision theory and all. So chemical kinetics is so big, a small chapter. Okay, if you study within 3 to 4 hours, you can easily cover it up. And if you just solve 10 to 20 questions. Okay, this is for physical chemistry. So you should start with surface chemistry. Okay, go with solutions, electrochemistry, and chemical kinetics. Okay, coming to organic chemistry. अरे बाप रे, the students are scared of organic chemistry in 11th में तो इतना high नहीं. 2 chapters are there in 11th, but in 12th one full textbook is given for organic chemistry. Okay, those who are preparing from the beginning of the year, they will come with the flow. But if you are once a student, if you want to know कि छोटे टाइम में कैसे भारी भरकम मार्क्स मतलब 90-95% क्रॉस करे, the first thing you have to do is not these chapters. Subscribe to the channel and hit that like button. Like button को ठोको पहले. Then I will tell what are the do and the don'ts in these chapters. Okay. So first one is haloalkanes and haloarenes. Okay. Basically there are haloalkanes, haloarenes, alcohols, aldehydes. Then if I remember amines, then biomolecules, polymers, and chemistry in everyday life. But aldehydes and alcohols and amines. Amines is not so repeated chapter. Okay, questions come, but one or two. Okay, take it in boards, JEE and NEET. Okay, it's the least preferred chapter, but it's a must-do chapter because on an average, no question वहाँ से आते ही है. Amine से. Coming to haloalkanes, haloarenes are given the top priority because this is the basis. This goes and clubs up with alcohols. This will easily go and club up with your aldehydes. This will easily go and club up with amines. You know, it's like water. ये कहीं भी बह जाता है ऐसे ऐसे. Okay, this is one such chapter. Okay, which is small. Okay, so most of the schools start with this chapter and we start the new academic year. And easy chapter to score, not so difficult, not so many reactions are there. So haloalkanes is a go-getter chapter. Biomolecules, nothing to study in biomolecules, just know what are vitamins, what are uh, carbohydrates and proteins. You are done. Just read the NCERT twice, learn all the 20 amino acids name. Okay, know the difference between DNA, RNA, learn what are fat soluble vitamins, water soluble vitamins, the deficiency of which vitamin causes what type of disease. There's one table given in your NCERT. Okay, learn that and learn about quaternary proteins, globular proteins, fibrous proteins, okay, because they can come in MCQ. Basically, if you want to score in organic, no, just read your NCRT. Okay, NCRT quote how, take one pencil or a highlighter. I've put in my previous video how to read NCRT 3 times. First, read it like a novel, like a storybook. Second time, give a reading to the same chapter again by underlining the points. Third time, when you're reading it, make sure you're either learning the points or you're jotting down in a white piece of paper. Okay, I use this type of book for chemistry. I make short notes in this. Okay, so this is very helpful for me. A big two textbooks, I can make it in a very small book. Okay, I told in my previous video also strategy for 11th and 12th. I have discussed this step. कि short notes are very important, especially when you're studying organic chemistry, because organic chemistry has any number of mechanisms, reactions, okay, name reactions, then reagent name. Okay, so in biomolecules, just read the NCRT. Okay, not so big chapter again. Okay, but structures are there, but not so repeatedly asked. See, if you want to know the trend of any chapter, कि कैसे questions आए, the best thing to know that is previous year question papers. I tell in my every video कि refer previous year question papers. Okay, go to www.cbsc.nic.in and just type over there class 12 chemistry previous year question papers. You will get them with the marking scheme. Marking scheme के साथ आता है. Just take a printout or save as a PDF. The moment your exam, like your midterm exam, your pre-boards come near, open them. You can go chapter wise. Okay, if you haven't done the complete syllabus, okay, go chapter wise. Okay, search for bio. Suppose you're doing biomolecules. Open 2018 paper and search for biomolecules and solve the questions. If you're getting stuck, refer the marking scheme. Refer the marking scheme. Answer will be given. Referring marking scheme is very important because it will give you the split up. Okay, normally in chemistry, what is the main problem? हमें पता ही नहीं कि हम क्या लिखें. How to, we know the concept, we know how to do, but we don't know how to present the answer, how to write in the exam, and there we lose marks. So what you have to do, take up question papers, the marking scheme and see. Suppose for example the question comes what is Sandmann's reactions, which is in haloalkanes, haloanes. So you should know how to write, how to introduce the answer, how to conclude the answer. And in marking scheme, stepwise marks will be given in the margin. No, stepwise marks given. So you get to know which is important point, which is not important point. Normally for chemistry, people write the whole story outcome, which is waste of time and you don't get sufficient marks. So you're wasting your energy. So if you read for previous year questions paper, you get to know what is the pattern of each chapter and which point to write, which point to omit. Okay. Next is chemistry in everyday life. That this chapter, what would I say? Again, that same thing. What is that? Baking soda and all is there in that. Then you have some related to drugs, narcotic drugs and non-narcotic drugs, soaps, detergents, all those. Okay. So just read the NCRT once and you're done. Next, we have is polymers. Polymers, again, very scoring chapter. Okay, nothing is there. Polymers में जो difficulty आ सकता है to remember those reactions which are given. Okay, the n number of polymers with the preparation, temperature, everything given. So what I did was I made a flow chart. Like I made columns. I wrote polymer, उसका नाम. Then I wrote the reaction conditions. Okay, then I wrote what is the monomer required for that polymer and the uses. Okay, polymers से एक क्वेश्चन हमेशा आता है. What are biodegradable polymers? Give two examples with their structures and write the monomers. और एक क्वेश्चन हमेशा आता है differentiate between homopolymer and that is addition polymerization reaction and condensation polymerization reaction. Okay, so if first you read the NCRT for polymers, okay, थोड़ा boring होगा, मुझे बहुत boring लगा था पढ़ना because there's nothing, it's just given in a sequence. Okay, this ये इसके बाद ये इसके बाद ये इसके बाद ये. Okay, so what I did was I first read it 2 times. Okay, I had the habit of reading NCRT 3 times for organic. तुम physical के लिए एक बार पढ़ लो, inorganic के लिए एक बार पढ़ लो, but organic के लिए you have to read every chapter 3 times, especially these 4 maha treasure chapters. Okay, so what I did was I read the NCRT 3 times. Okay, then I took a white piece of paper, I made 4-5 columns and I wrote all those. To my whole polymers of 10 pages, I just condensed it into 1 page. And that is the point of making short notes. Okay, so I've told you for inorganic, see how many chapters are there? 3. For physical, 4. And for organic, 4. So how much? 4 plus 4 plus 3. 8 plus 3, 11 chapters. Okay, 11 chapters. If you prepare these 11 chapters first, okay, start with inorganic. Okay, it's up to you. You want to start with inorganic, start with that. Start with physical, you start with organic. Suppose I start with physical. First, go with surface chemistry. This you can give maximum of 3 days. 3 days is enough for surface chemistry. Solutions, you can take 4 to 5 days because this needs questions practice. Same way electrochemistry 3 days, chemical kinetics 4 days. Okay. Inorganic में coordination will take almost 1 week. It took 1 week for me to completely understand and then practice questions. D and F block, what you can do, 2 days is enough. First 2 hours, so suppose let's say tomorrow is Monday, so D block 2 hours. Okay, I will revise it on Tuesday morning. Then Tuesday evening I will take up F block. F block. So within 4 hours you can complete. One day D, one day F. P block will take some time. Okay, what I did was I took 1 day P block like group 16, 3 hours. Next day, I took again 3 hours, group 17. Then I took it as group 8 in 3 hours. Okay, so since your exam is going to be in March with a lot of time, okay, so what you can do, suppose Monday, 3 hours P block, then Wednesday, yeah, Thursday, okay, again P block, group 17, then after next 2 days, again P block. So if you study it giving breaks, it won't be this one to you. It won't be heavy to you, okay? Because these all are a bit heavy chapters and more weighted chapters, okay? So you can take a screenshot if you want, or you can pause the video and make sure you watch the video till the end because half knowledge is worse than having no knowledge. Okay, thank you guys. That's all for today. And make sure any doubts, any comments you have, comment in the comment section below. And you know, okay, if you want to score 100 in chemistry, first subscribe करो, like the video, okay. At least 500 likes to बनते हैं, okay. At least 500 likes, like the video, and you can pause and note these chapters down. Okay. Thank you guys. I'll meet you tomorrow. Chalo, bye. Good luck. Go and study. Don't waste your time. Chalo, bye. And before that, like so कर दो. Come on, hit that like button fast. I'm waiting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like, share, and subscribe. Okay. Thank you guys. Bye bye. See you soon.